Samsung has extended its setup of Galaxy F series telephones with the dispatch of the Galaxy F42 5G. It is Samsung's first F-series telephone with 5G help and is fueled by a similar MediaTek Dimensity 700 chipset as the Galaxy A22 5G. The new financial plan telephone includes a 6.6-inch FHD Plus show with a 90 Hz invigorate rate. Dissimilar to the best financial plan Android telephones, nonetheless, the Galaxy F42 5G doesn't utilize an AMOLED board. It likewise has a waterdrop score at the top, rather than a focused opening punch pattern. On the rear of the Galaxy F42, 5G is a triple camera arrangement with a 64MP essential sensor, a 5MP super wide focal point with a 115-degree field of view, and a 2MP lift center focal point. The telephone offers a wide scope of camera modes, including Hyperlapse, slow motion, Panorama, food mode, and night mode. Keeping the lights on is a huge 5000 mAh battery with help for 15W quick charging. Like the Galaxy M52 5G that dispatched in the country, the Galaxy F42 5G guarantees cross-country 5G network with help for 12 groups, N1, N3, N5, N7, N8, N20, N28, N66, N38, N40, N41, and N78. The telephone runs Android 11 with Samsung's One UI 3.1 out of the crate. The Galaxy F42 5G will be accessible to buy in India from October 3 through Flipkart, Samsung online store, and select retail locations. It is valued at $20,999 for the 6GB 128GB form and $22,999 for the 8GB 128GB adaptation. During Flipkart's Big Billion Days deal, customers will actually want to purchase the telephone at an extraordinary basic cost of only $17,999 for the 6GB variant and $19,999 for the 8GB adaptation.